What we do here is go back.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful morning. Just got out of class, just got home, you know, starting off the morning right. Got Starbucks right here. I've got two things planned for today's video. First is I'm going to be introducing the car to the channel and then doing a little bit of an install. It's kind of dark in here right now. The lighting's not the best. I'm going to pull the car out into the driveway even though I just pulled it in, and then show you guys what's going on with it, and then we're going to get into the installs. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, let's get onto the car. So here it is. It's my 1997 Honda Civic EK hatch. The color on it is a dark amethyst pearl. Outside is pretty much everything stock on it. Only thing is, it has a 99 to 2000 front end conversion on it, and I have GSR blades on here from an Integra, and I've got the front lip on it as well. Yeah, but pretty much stock from the outside. I just got it painted, so paint's fairly fresh on it, maybe like a month or two. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the outside. I really haven't done anything to it except for on the other day I installed this antenna delete because I didn't really use my antenna. And on the inside, got manual door panels. Only thing done on the inside is I installed my quick release. I got my bezel for my gauges right here, and I've got Delso front seats. Just because I'm a little bit taller and they sit much lower, and I like them almost like a bucket seat. Stock right here in the back seat, nothing special, just got the floor mats. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Let me show you guys the trunk. Yeah, nothing special. Got all my interior pieces. Got this back cover panel. Not a lot of them have them. And just got my sound system in here. It's a little 10, nothing big. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this trunk. Let's show you guys the engine over here. It's broken right here. All my EK owners, you know this brakes. You guys feel me? So here's the motor. It's a D16Y8. It's got a Edelbrock turbo kit on it. Right now it's only about 5 to 7 pounds. It's nothing really much until I get a manual boost controller and turn it up. The other thing on the motor I got is the Mishimoto radiator, and I got Downstar hardware for it. Haven't really done anything too much. I do have some other stuff I already bought and I plan on doing to it. And yeah, that's about it on the car except for my suspension. I've got, I don't know how easy it is to see in here, but you can see the red sticking out there. The Skunk2 Street Pro S or something like that. But I've got Skunk2 suspension all around on the vehicle. Alright, so that was pretty much it for the car. Nothing too special. Let me move on to showing you what install we'll be doing today. So first things first, we got the first one. There's the part number just in case you want to get the same one that I got. It's a Type R shift boot, the red and black one. I really like how these look, and I think it's gonna match the interior good. Second one is a Skunk2. Here, let me show you the box. A Skunk2 weighted shift knob. And as you can see, Skunk2 right there. Let me take it out for you. It says Skunk2. It's got the red gears on the top. I think it's gonna match the shift boot really good. That's why I got it. Plus I've always wanted a weighted shift knob. So let's waste no time and get these installed. All right, so starting off, first things first, we're just gonna take off all the bolts for the center console, for the armrests right here, and then for the cup holders right here. Unbolt everything, then we just gotta pretty much take it off, and I'll pick up the camera once I'm done with that. So just finished taking off all the screws for the center console. Now all we gotta do is just pull them apart, just like so. Done, and make sure I don't spill nothing. Just like so. Put that right there for a quick second. And pull this one. Oh, let me unscrew the shift knob real quick. All right. Unscrew the shift knob. And take it out. So now that that's done, all we gotta do is take off this screw and this screw, and then just slide the other one in. Alright, there's screw number 1. There's screw number 2. Slide this right out. Let me get the new one. Just look at how crusty my old one was, and how mint this one is. Now just I have it upside down. Now just slide it in. Make sure everything is in there, and then screw it back on. So I just finished putting in all of my screws for how I finished putting together the shift boot, and I put all the screws back in the center console. Oh, that looks crispy. Look at that. Looks sick. Now the only thing left to do is install the freaking shift knob. It comes with these little nut things, but for my car, 96 to 2000 EK, you don't need it. You could just screw it directly on. So just like that, getting on there. So like that. All right, so I just finished screwing it on. Honestly, you can really feel the weight of how do you say, like it just feels more dominant, like because mine's pretty notchy, and with this on there it doesn't even feel notchy at all. It just feels smooth, like it's gonna be easier to get it in gear. Yeah, but looks pretty nice. Got the Type R shift boot, the Skunk2 shift knob. Looks pretty sick in my opinion. Doesn't want to focus right now, but yeah, interior is coming together. It's gonna be it for this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace out.